Welcome back! Today, we're diving into a topic almost everyone wonders about. How much car can you really afford based on your monthly salary? What's the best option for you, a used car or a brand new one? And how much will it actually cost you in the long run? This video isn't just a guide, it's a full roadmap to help you make smart financial decisions when buying a car. So stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which car fits your salary and lifestyle, and which ones might become a financial trap. Let's get started. Why buying a car is a big financial decision. Many people think of a car as just a dream. Some see it as freedom. Others see it as a status symbol. But the truth is, buying a car is one of the biggest expenses in your life. Once you buy it, there's more than just the price tag. Monthly loan payments, fuel costs, insurance, maintenance, and taxes and registration. A lot of people only look at the showroom price. The real costs start the moment you drive it off the lot. That's why it's crucial to balance your income, expenses, and lifestyle before making a decision. The Golden Rule, 20-4-10 formula. There's a simple formula that ensures a car is a joy, not a burden. It's called the 20-4-10 rule. 20% down payment, pay at least 20% of the car price up front. 4-year loan. Your loan should not exceed 4 years. 10% monthly income. Your car payment should not be more than 10% of your monthly salary. For example, if your monthly income is $4,000, your car payment should be a maximum of $400 per month. Follow this formula and you'll be safe from financial stress while still enjoying your car. Car affordability by salary. Now let's dive into exactly what kind of car you can afford based on your monthly income. Monthly income, $2,000. Budget, $8,000 to $10,000. Best option, older used car, Toyota Corolla, older Honda Civic, or a motorcycle. Lesson, at this stage, focus on reliable used cars rather than new ones. Monthly income, $4,000. Budget, $15,000 to $20,000. Best option, compact or hybrid used cars, Toyota Prius, Honda Fit, Nissan Note. Lesson, even with higher income, always account for hidden costs like fuel, insurance, and registration. Monthly income, $6,000. Budget, $25,000 to $30,000. Best option, new mid-size sedans or small SUVs, Toyota Camry, Honda Accord, Mazda CX-5. Lesson, car has now become a lifestyle choice. Stick to the 10% rule to avoid financial stress. Monthly income, $10,000. Budget, $40,000 to $50,000. Best option, entry-level luxury cars, BMW 3 Series, Mercedes C-Class, Lexus ES. Lesson, expensive cars mean higher insurance and maintenance costs. Don't buy for status alone. Monthly income, $15,000 plus. Budget, $60,000 to $80,000. Best option, Tesla Model Y, Range Rover, Porsche Macan, premium SUVs. Lesson, high income makes buying easier, but true enjoyment comes from smart planning. Hidden costs of owning a car. Buying the car is just the start. The real costs start after. Insurance, $100 to $200 per month. Fuel, $200 to $400 per month depending on mileage. Maintenance, tires, brakes, engine servicing, thousands per year. Registration and taxes. Higher-priced cars mean higher costs. Ignoring these costs can turn a happy purchase into a financial nightmare. Always calculate the total cost of ownership, not just the sticker price. Smart tips before buying a car. Here are a few tips before you buy. Make sure you have an emergency fund. Pay at least 20% down payment. Keep monthly payments below 10% of your income. A well-maintained used car can often be smarter than a new one. Treat a car as a luxury, not a necessity. Remember, a car can upgrade your lifestyle, but the wrong choice can drain your finances. Today, we learned in detail how much car you can afford at different salary levels, how the 24-10 golden rule works, and what hidden costs you need to watch out for. Now it's your turn. Comment below. Which car fits your income level? If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it, and don't forget to subscribe. Smart choices lead to happy driving. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.